In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a Pisces Zodiac keychain and dark pink moms like this. It can be used as a keychain, a box charm, or a gift for your friends.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my crochet tutorial channel, Mayy Crochet.
Here are the materials we need. Let's get started. First is the Pisces Zodiac symbol. I'm using light purple yarn for the body. Make a knot. And chain 6. Slip stitch in the first chain. Chain 1 and crochet 6 single crochet. Slip stitch to join the round. Chain 1 to start the next round. For every round, we will slip stitch to join and chain 1 to start the next one. I will not repeat this. Round 2. Crochet 1 single crochet in every stitch, and from round 2 to round 4, do the same. Cut the yarn and leave a long tail. This is the first 4 rounds piece. Next, continue, create a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochet. Round 2. Crochet 1 single crochet in every stitch, and from round 2 to round 19, do the same. Cut the yarn and leave a long tail. Repeat the process to make 2 19 round pieces and 2 4 round pieces. And the first 4 round pieces, we will have 5 pieces in total. Repair white pieces with the same length as the crochet pieces. Insert the wire inside. And use a needle to sew the 2 19 round pieces closed. For the remaining pieces, hide the yarn tails inside. Next is the mum. Use dark pink yarn for the petals. Make a magic ring. Chain 3. Skip 1 stitch. And make 2 slip stitches. Then slip stitch into the magic ring. Chain 1 and repeat the pattern until you have 6 petals. Chain 1 to finish and cut the yarn. Use a piece of yellow yarn, tie a knot. And use a needle to sew it into the center for the pollen. You can apply hot glue to the edges on the back of the flowers. Make 2 flowers in total.
Next is the leaves. Make a knot. Chain 4. Skip 1 stitch and slip stitch in the next. Half the crochet in the next. Crochet in the last stitch, then chain 1, slip stitch in the same stitch, and finally chain 1. Cut the yarn and weave in the end. Make 2 leaves. After completing the parts, shape the crocheted pieces into the Pisces side. Use glue to attach the symbol like this, then stick the flowers and leaves.
So we have finished the Pisces symbol. If you finish it, please leave a comment and interact with the video to support me. Also, to connect and share your work, please follow my Instagram account and use hashtag Mayy Crochet 0705. And bye bye.
If you find my video helpful, please like and subscribe to follow my next tutorials.